If you want to trim a video in Canva quickly and cleanly, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're cutting out the beginning, removing the end, or tightening up a clip for a social media post, Canva makes it simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Canva and go to the video design you want to edit. You can start from a template, a blank video project, or one you've already created. Once your project is open, make sure the video is visible in the editor so you can work with it directly. If your design has multiple elements, look for the timeline at the bottom of the screen because that is where your video clip will be. Now click on the video clip in the timeline. This is an important step because Canva needs to know exactly which part of your project you want to edit. Once the clip is selected, you should see editing options appear in the top bar. From there, click Trim. This opens the trimming controls and lets you adjust the visible length of the video. When the trim tool opens, you'll see handles at the start and end of the clip. These are the markers that control which part of the video stays and which part gets cut off. To trim the beginning of the clip, drag the start handle to the right until you reach the point where you want the video to begin. To trim the ending, drag the end handle to the left until you reach the point where you want the video to stop. You can fine-tune the clip until it matches exactly what you need. This is especially helpful if your recording has a few seconds of silence at the start, a mistake near the end, or extra footage that doesn't need to be included. Trimming helps your video look more polished and professional, and it keeps viewers focused on the important part of your content. Once you're happy with the cut, click Done to apply the trim. Canva will save the adjustment and return you to the main editor. At this point, it's a good idea to preview the video and make sure everything looks right. Click Preview, usually shown with a play icon, and watch the video from the beginning. This lets you confirm that the trim starts and ends exactly where you intended. If something feels off, don't worry. You can always go back into the trim tool and adjust the handles again until it looks perfect. That flexibility makes Canva really beginner-friendly, especially if you're editing content for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or presentations. After you've checked the video and you're satisfied with the result, the last step is to export it. Click Share, then select Download and choose MP4 video as the file type. MP4 is the best option for most video uploads because it keeps the quality high and works across major platforms. Once the download starts, Canva will render your trimmed video and save it to your device, and that's it. You've successfully trimmed a video in Canva. It's a fast and easy process once you know where the timeline, trim button, and handles are located. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Canva tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.